Hello, this is Mike Kilgore from Trident. I'm here today to endorse Zack with Woody's Exterior Cleaning. Now, if you're looking for somebody that's going to come out and seal your hardscape, Zack is the right choice for you. Now, Zack has dedicated his time and resources to complete all the trainings that are needed to be a master certified contractor. That includes intro to sealing, intermediate to sealing, step-by-step process, attending a live training, submitting 5 and more jobs. And of course, in Zack's place, it's a whole lot more, and completing the advanced certification. Now, with all these classes, Zack, now he'll be the best choice for your project. Now, Zack has been sealing with our products for quite some time now, so he's learned all the ins and outs for sure. Now, Zack, can you tell us why you've decided to align your company with Trident?
The biggest reason is the training that you guys supply us makes sure that we are confident in the field to lay down your product. And then also you guys have the most superior product when it comes out there to seal it.
That's fantastic. Well, we appreciate all the work that you've done and also supplying all those customers out there that are looking to get their hardscape sealed up in that Charlotte area and surrounding area. I got to meet you the one time that we were there, and it was definitely evident the detail that you went into making sure that everything turned out right. So if you're looking for somebody that's got an eye for detail and will offer you great customer service, make sure you reach out to Zack so he can make your hardscape the best it can be. Go Team Trident.